Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something for Narin's EK coupe, and we're gonna show you right now. Alright, so we just pulled the car in and we're finna jack it up. Oh, this is what we got. Some functioning forms. Type 2s. Well, we didn't even open the box, but it came with some stickers.
Stickers.
I don't care. I don't even have functioning forms.
So you like it?
Ooh, brand new-key. Damn.
You got functioning form? Yeah.
It came hella quick. You just ordered like a week. It came hella fast. So today we're gonna install these functioning form type 2s. This car is basically all stock. Well, it is all stock with some like the S14s, hubcaps. Hella slow.
Regular.
I got a VTEC.
He got a VTEC one. I don't think he bring that car today.
Edit it out.
That was the front because the rear should have the fork.
Oh, so the rears have the forks. Damn, look how much change we got though. How much do you think we're gonna make off of this? I'd say over 60 bucks. Yeah, where do you even jack this up here, guys? Damn. Brand new. Like hella clean. Adjustable damping. It's clean. I'm gonna jack it up right now. Damn. Check this out though. We got big plans for this car. If you guys wondering why some of the tires and hubcaps are red, it's because this was my uncle's car in the red. He tried spray canning this whole car by himself, and then he just gave the car to my uncle Narin, and he got it repainted championship white, professionally painted, unlike my uncle over there. Spray can. But it looks pretty clean though. Looks like a EK9 Type R, except it's a coupe, not a hatch. I think we should install the coilovers just how it is right now.
You got some KYB shocks? Exactly, and then we could just adjust it.
Yeah, so we could know.
You got some KYB shocks? Man. Yeah. Some KYB shocks.
What the?
That's why that shit ride hella
I
smooth.
didn't even know. I thought it was all stock. What the hell?
I know.
But the springs are stock.
What's that about?
Fake ass lug nut.
Fake ass lug nut. What the fuck?
Colors in red or whatever. Oh, yeah.
That is so ugly.
Donuts.
Oh yeah, I got some new rims for my car. But I didn't even get my car yet, so I'm gonna have to wait for that. I already took this.
Give me another one. Hold.
Oh, it was hiding there. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, so we got the driver's side functioning for Damn, we only got one, and still got 3 more names.
Huh?
How does it feel putting on your first set of coilovers?
That would have been better if I had a faster motor. Oh, hold on.
Freaking allergies are kicking in.
I need to do that.
Forgot to take my allergy medicine. Man, this one's gonna be dumb.
Like, this much in it. Drop it.
Stretch tires? What the hell? No, it's like this hubcap is just about to come out. What do you guys think about my aunt's car though? I don't know what kind of brand rims are those, but she got some lowering springs on. Looks hella clean. She just wanted to lower her car like more a little aggressive. Looks hella clean though. Look at my dad's car though. He got a 2012 SI. He got it when it came out. He just kept it all stock. He didn't want to do anything to it, so. He got hella miles on it. It's his commuter car.
No tools underneath, nothing? No, that's good.
Well, let's see. God damn. It's dumped.
They got some room up in there though.
It's dumped.
But
Damn.
see, nigga. Oh shit.
Oh, this shit slam.
What are your thoughts on it, Uncle? Looks clean or what?
That's clean. That's how my car is. My car's slammed like that.
Check out the other side.
Wait.
Damn. It's pretty low.
On these hubcaps.
Yep, I'll put on the hubcap.
Gotta put on the hubs.
Now we gotta do the rears.
Kick it.
Flow control arm. If you guys don't have a torque wrench, this is what you gotta do. Take that from your jack top. So we gotta take this out.
No, check it out.
Out that. Oh, it's in a trunk.
Got it there?
I'm gonna let the rear driver's side coilovers out. Stock ones. Is it even coming out? What the heck? There's an oil filter in there. That's an old.
Old one.
Oh.
Oh no. Broke something.
Uh-oh.
Fuck. What a fucker, man.
I don't know. What now? Oh, we could buy it, right?
Yeah, you could buy it. Go AutoZone real quick.
Alright, so we're going to AutoZone now. So what happened? What
What
happened?
happened was I tried to torque that motherfucker and it done broke. I torqued it the right way too.
Yeah, it's just really old, I guess. Went too hard.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go to AutoZone now.
Damn.
Well, it's okay, it's just right there anyways.
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, so we'll be back.
This dude still can't drive an automatic car.
What are you talking
Driving
about?
hella sketchy, bro.
No. Alright, bro, we're back. It took us like damn near 2 hours looking for a bolt. We went to like 2 AutoZones and like O'Reilly's and Home Depot. We finally got it at AutoZone. So hopefully this will fit.
Oh shit. If it
Okay, good. Finally.
Here.
It took us hella long.
pump it a little tiny bit. Okay.
Well, we'll just show you guys when it's all done. Alright, we're dropping it.
Drop.
Damn.
That shit looked hella stiff when it went down.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
Hella stiff.
We got it. Ooh. Damn. Ooh, little baby scrape.
Yeah.
Ooh. What do you guys think? Damn.
Alright, take me around the block, G.
I forgot to end the vlog earlier. My camera was about to die, so I had to charge it. But yeah, we just got done installing the coilovers. Yeah, Narin over there drove somewhere with it. He said it's smooth, right? Yeah, it's smooth. It's pretty dumped, but whenever I get my car and put on my new wheels, he's gonna use my old wheels. So yeah. Well, I can't show.
Look at that piece of turd right there.
I can't show Narin's car. His is in the front right now. We're in the backyard.
Clean ass Mustang over there though.
That fitment though.
Those are gonna be my rims soon, so there'll be another Honda to the channel.
Yeah, for real. There's gonna be a lot of Civics. 3 Civics, bro. I'm the only one with an Integra.
Who's he got? It's still a Honda.
Hey, yeah, but it's not a Civic. But alright. I'll see you guys in another video.